Welcome to Worldfamousfoodz again. Today we're doing a garlic butter shrimp. Check it out. Okay folks, let's season our shrimp. So we got some onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, some black pepper, and some all-purpose seasoning. Just mix all this together. Okay folks, we got our hot oil. Start frying our shrimp. I'm going to fry these for about a minute or so per side. Okay, we're going to turn these. Oh yeah. Tito, you know this is your favorite dish, buddy. Come on, buddy. There we go. Do this with Tito. Okay, we're going to take our shrimp out. Now we're going to add our butter. And we're going to add our garlic. This is butter garlic recipe, right? And add our shrimp back to this. Lemon juice. Oh yeah. And to top it off, I'm going to add some fresh parsley. All right. Here we have it. Our garlic butter shrimp, Worldfamousfoodz style. Enjoy.